Today I am with Motorola Moto G60s and I will show you how face unlock works in this phone. It will be the speed test of the face unlocking. So let's make a few tries and let's see how this face unlock perform. Okay, so as you can see, it's not that bad. I think it's the same speed like you can find on this fingerprint sensor on the back. And this face unlocking is also reliable protection. It works every time. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.